Hi there, this presentation is from Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about dynamic comparison chart for these 10 products. Here is the first report. It compares between 2 years, 2012 and 2013, and here is one of the report, and I will come to it in detail later on. This channel is dedicated to creating dashboard and other data management tools, and the users of this channel are the institutions and business people as well as the individuals. The purpose is to modernize data system, save time, generate automatic report, and save costs. So this is the general purpose of this channel. Coming to this today's topic, which is dynamic comparison chart. Let's see first content. This dynamic comparison chart track performance of products, production or sales or any other data. The data required is product or sales by year, or depending on the nature of the data and that data types and distribution by year. The report generated, it generates 3 reports. This dynamic comparison chart compares in 3 ways. Just before that, this dynamic comparison is built with 40 steps, and the chart shows the report by gaps in numbers, gaps in percent, and actual values. Positive changes are marked with green and arrow to the right, and negative changes are marked with red and arrow to the left. These are the report and the content of this comparison chart. Coming to its purpose, it easily visualizes performance. It is also used to visualize performance over years by different parameters. For example, automatically generate comparison by gaps in numbers, automatically generate comparison by percent, and by values as well. It also saves time for report preparation, automatically generate report, and since it is ready-made reports will be available always. And it's also support to follow up project programs, production, sales, whatever it is, or for business people as well. Similarly, let project managers or team where to focus next time or next year. Alert managers where to support his or her team. Let business people where to focus next time or next year. So these are some of the benefits of this dynamic comparison chart. In terms of for whom, this is recommended for project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators, lead, mill staff, M&D staff, team coordinators, planning, monitoring and evaluation department, and business people to track their business. So this is in terms of for whom. Let's come to the data entry page. Here is the product for this particular example. We have 10 product. Here is the distribution by year. Across the year we have this data from 2010 to 2019. So we'll compare this data by different parameters. Here is the first report. It compares the performance between 2012 and 2013, and the gaps is in numbers. Here for the product one, there is a positive change between 2012 and 2013, hence indicated by green color, plus 20 in number, and the arrow is also to the right. Similarly, for product 7, it's indicated in green. For product 4, it's indicated with red, and the arrow is to the left. It's also for product 8, there is a decrease, so that's indicated in red. So if there is an increase, it will show to the right and in green color, and if there is a decrease in performance, it will show and it is indicated by red color, and the arrow is to the left. The second report is here. It also compares the report between 2 years, 2012 and 2013. This time gaps in percentage. Here is the percentage change for product 1 positively, and this is percentage change for product 7. Here is the change is actually in red for product 4 and for product 8. So this is the percentage change between the 2 years for those products. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Let's come to report 3, and the comparison is again between 2012 and 2013. This time the comparison is between the actual values. For example, for product 1, the actual values for 2012 and 2013 is indicated here, and the change is positive, hence it is indicated by green. For product 7, similarly, there is a change between 2012 and 2013, and that is indicated in green because there is an increase in that product over the years between the 2 years. For product number 4, there is a decrease, so it's indicated in red color, and the arrow is also to the left. For product 8, we see also a similar trend. There is a decrease between 2012, comparing 2012 and 2013. So this is the third report in that compares the actual values of the 2 years. Let's see the demo. Thank you, and use this template for your uh, data to track your project or business data. We recommend this for organizations and business entities. And please subscribe to this channel, Get Data Solution. Thank you for coming once again.